guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I am so super excited because I'm participating in the Spring DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. Hi Christina, thank you so much for hosting this challenge. Guys, this is a challenge that Christina does for each season, so at least twice a year, maybe 3 times a year for the spring, fall, and Christmas, I think. She hosts this challenge, and so I always look forward to participating because it's always so much fun. So let me encourage all of you guys to be sure to go over to Christina's channel to check out her video as well as the playlist of all the other participants. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you will enjoy this video and go ahead and click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a tour of my sister's home that I decorated for spring. So my sister asked me to come over and help her decorate, and of course, you know, I was happy to do that, and I kind of took over. And so I helped decorate her entryway, her living room, and her dining room, and a little bit in her kitchen. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys, walking you through her home. So if you're interested in seeing how her home came out for spring, then just keep watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, again, if you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to go ahead and click the subscribe button. And again, let me remind all of you to be sure to go over to Christina's channel to check out her video and the playlist. And to all of my faithful family members, mwah, I love you guys so, so much. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.